Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here. We're going to take a look at CRBP, and I'm going to give you my thoughts and analysis, and I hope that this video helps you out. So what we're looking at here for this stock is some resistance. So this is a level you've seen hit many times before. So many times before, you can see right there, and we're just looking at 3 years of action. There, and this level is just shy of $10, about $9.90. Rejected there, rejected right there against it, and we're heading into that level once again. So we'll see if it happens once again, but definitely favor shorts over longs once we hit this level up here. Now, kind of zooming into the more recent action, looks like it could continue higher into that resistance. So we've got about $1.20 left until we hit that resistance, but it broke over that trend line here out of this little down channel, bull flag right here. You can see that big move up, and then we just kind of held these gains right here. And notice this last action right here came right down to pretty much the low of this breakout candle, and that's exactly where we bounced from. So just something to kind of keep in mind next time when there's a big candle like this and we're trading sideways against it, that you want to look for bounces on a retracement against that low, because it's kind of the last point of return. It kind of has to hold that level. If it doesn't hold that level, then it would head much lower, but it did, and you can see a big move since then. So I hope this video helped you out. I also want to show you this little support right here. It's also a resistance level that we just broke over. So if we head down to 8, that could be a buying opportunity in the short term. But remember that resistance at 990 is the biggest level that you want to be paying attention to. So I'd like to invite you now to join us for the free trial that we have going on right now. And if you want results, consistent results in the market, not just today, not just tomorrow, but on a consistent basis, month after month, quarter after quarter, and year after year, then you have to join us with our free trial that we have going on right now, because you're going to have all of the tools you need to succeed. We're giving you real-time trade alerts for both the buy and sell alerts via text message. You can trade from anywhere, the office, home, on the road, it doesn't matter. You're going to be able to participate in these trades and make money in the market, and I hope to see you in there. It's free, so go ahead and give it a shot, and I look forward to seeing you in there and helping you grow your account on a consistent basis.